Come join me. Let's draw Peppa Pig dressed up as a magical witch for Halloween. She's got a tall pointy hat, a shiny dress, and a friendly smile. Let's do it! Peppa loves Halloween, and her favorite costume is a witch's outfit. Her tall, pointy hat is decorated with sparkly stars and moons. Do you think Peppa's witch hat has magic powers? What would you want your hat to do? That sounds interesting. Peppa's favorite part of being a witch is making silly potions. What kind of potion do you think Peppa would make? Something sparkly and sweet, maybe? She loves playing pretend and casting funny spells like make everyone laugh. Look, Peppa Pig has opened her eyes. And she enjoys looking around. Even without a broomstick, Peppa can still run around pretending to fly. If Peppa doesn't have a broomstick, how do you think she can pretend to fly? Maybe she spins in circles. Nice! Peppa Pig with her costume is all drawn. Let's make her costume come to life with your favorite colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Peppa loves to teach George how to say abracadabra. Can you say it too? Great job! She thinks being a witch is extra fun because she can make her friends smile. Peppa's witch costume has secret pockets for keeping her Halloween candy. could make one magic wish, what do you think she'd wish for? I think more candy. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Do you like Halloween costumes too? What's your favorite costume to wear? That's wonderful! Peppa is smiling in her costume. What do you think makes her so happy? If you could dress up with Peppa, what costume would you choose? I think a friendly ghost would be fun. Peppa looks ready for a fun adventure. What do you think of Peppa's witch costume? Would you wear one like it? Peppa Pig as a witch looks fantastic. Share our drawing and tell them about Peppa's Halloween story. Thank you for drawing with me. I can't wait to see you next time, Kinky Artists.